Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just want to make a quick reaction video based on the comment that I got from the video that I published earlier today. But before then, please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do me a favor and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So we are not going to waste much time. I've told us many times that what makes us human, our brain, the way we think, the way we reason. Some of us we see white and set to call it black or milk color, even though the color is before you, you can see it, but because of what you want to gain, or maybe the statement or what is going on, it does not favor somebody, maybe your favorite person, somebody you love or you cherish so much, the going is not favoring the person, and you want to trend by committing nuisance in the name of making comments. Some of you actually know the truth. You know the truth, you know what is going on, but you prefer not to say it because you want to be relevant. You want your friends to see himself or herself as too important. I told us in the video that I published earlier today, where we talked about why is such in France. Some of you understand what I said. Some actually want to make it as if I'm attacking her or lying against her and all that. I have chosen some few comments, so I'm gonna share it with you. Like I said before, then please do me a favor, give this a thumbs up, and I will try my best not to make it a long video. Now let's start with this person called Cooking with Angels 3484. Now you can see the comment on the screen. Where were you? The person is asking me, where were you when was Ada? Where were you when Ada Dorama? She put everything separately. Instead of Ada Dorama together, but she put it Ada de Orama was fighting for your Ngozi Orabeze. Do you understand what she's saying? She actually put your, meaning that she's against US. In fact, these are the so-called enemy. This lady that you are seeing here, when she subscribed to my channel newly, because I can see that I felt that this account is a registered YouTube account, that maybe she's a content creator, and I went to her platform. Then I can remember, and it happened that she's just cooking and baking food there, which I subscribed to her channel and give the thumbs up and commented as a sister. You understand, just to show her that I appreciate her for joining our platform and all that. Then she did not reply, she did not say anything, although the video that I commented there, because she's not posting constantly. But I try my best to appreciate her, because when I played her video, I noticed that she's a mature woman and elderly woman, so I don't need to disrespect her. So this to tell you that she knows what she's doing anyway, but I'm not gonna waste much time on that. She actually made another comment saying, please do not insult I don't know who for coming out to say the truth. That is not fair at all. She came out and exposed so many things. If you are honest with yourself, you have to question Ngozi Orabeze. These are matured women, and I don't know why some of Biafran women, these matured ladies in US and other developed country rather, somehow showing hate on COS. I don't get it. To me, I may be wrong, but this is my feeling anyway. I felt that some of them are just envy and jealous of her based on her personal achievements. Indeed, when they go, I see that what I can uncle, as not by so that is what they're playing out here. Some of them are just envy and jealous about her and everything, but I'm not here to say much about it. But that's what their action and their words are giving us the vibes, and that's what they're doing. I may be wrong, but this is my the vibe that I'm receiving from what they're saying. Not only this person, a lot of people have shown that vibe, and mainly women. I don't know why. They said women know themselves, but if you know, you know. And please don't bring your hate on someone and speculate it as if it's a national problem. that Biafran must join you to show hate and fight somebody who nobody have anything against, simply because you have your personal hate of the reason best known to you. You want everybody to join hands together and start circulating and speculating that lies and falsehood against her, just for you to paint her bad and see her go down. Remember why Ishocha in France actually made it clear before that if PM did not, that only PM will give Biafra, will bring Biafra. If another person tried, that she will be a sabot to that person. When she making all these trances, she forgot that people are keeping note of it. Today, her actions and her words are proving that to be true, because that's what she's trying to do. She can do and undo just to make sure that she drags USB government down. And my own is not to drag anybody down. Another man tries to drag her down, but to make sure that everybody understands the intention. She's not alone. There are many other people like her that reason like her, that act like her. So the only thing we need to understand is that we need to be, keeping it straight. For those who have eyes to see, those who care to hear, we hear. Those who want to act, we act. I'm not here to make any, banter or fight with anybody. But some of you that choose to make a comment that is quite irritating, my own is to respond to that and debunk it. Everybody have mouth. I can also insult you the way you're insulting me, but the truth is that we are not wired the same. Let's move to another comment.
Akuna fugo kwa kunono gefere azụ no pụrụ ike ngani sanye fe na ihe akpọrọ akụ nyanye foreign gods ekwekwara ya akụ Adam Forsman buwe bel na Ken buwe bel oge obodo ọzọ ruo n'ọnwa anyị zi nwa onye ka ọ nụrụ zama ya Ken ojere obodo onye mma bụ chukwu nya aka amụma anya ka azụ ịmụ anya Afrịka ka anyị jide ịfụnanya chukwu olise ama nkwe ka anyị wagha anyị na-ekpegide ekpere Monday to Sunday ha nwa dị mmiri na-arụpụta teknọlọji ọchịchị obi anyị alaeze eluigwe ha nwa na-arụ alaeze nke ha n'ụwa ha gwara anyị saa anya asa na-arụ na mmiri yet ha na-eje na mmiri asa ha sị na chukwu dị ọcha na ekwensu dị oji ya na ndị isi ojii bụ ekwensu onye ọcha nye m brain box m onye nụ m batrị nye m brain box m brain box m onye m ya nye m brain box m.
The same person also made another comment, as you are seeing all of them on the screen, so keep on reading with me for you to have a better understanding. She said, please do not insult I don't know who for coming out to say the truth. Like I have told you in the past, I read this one before. I'm gonna explain it a little bit because I did not comment on it. You see, I don't know who coming out is not an issue, but what she come out to do is the problem. What is her intention and motive at her age, lying and pretend that she's helping Biafra when she's not? The situation at hand does not require this kind of banter and attack. Elderly people should do better. They should do better. They know what to do, and they need to focus on what they're supposed to do and engage, anything that they're supposed to engage with clear hands and clear conscience. If you have issue with CS, why don't you iron it with her? Not coming out and trying to speak like you're an elder, and by so doing committing more nuisance and causing more trouble. How can you make people to trust you and believe you when you are doing that? It doesn't help anybody at all.
Akuna fugo kwa kunono gefere azụ no pụrụ ike ngani sanye fe na ihe akpọrọ akụ nyanye foreign gods ekwekwara ya akụ Adam Forsman buwe bel na Ken buwe bel oge obodo ọzọ ruo n'ọnwa anyị zi nwa onye ka ọ nụrụ zama ya Ken ojere obodo onye mma bụ chukwu nya aka amụma anya ka azụ ịmụ anya Afrịka ka anyị jide ịfụnanya chukwu olise ama nkwe ka anyị wagha anyị na-ekpegide ekpere Monday to Sunday ha nwa dị mmiri na-arụpụta teknọlọji ọchịchị obi anyị alaeze eluigwe ha nwa na-arụ alaeze nke ha n'ụwa ha gwara anyị saa anya asa na-arụ na mmiri yet ha na-eje na mmiri asa ha sị na chukwu dị ọcha na ekwensu dị oji ya na ndị isi ojii bụ ekwensu onye ọcha nye m brain box m onye nụ m batrị nye m brain box m brain box m onye m ya nye m brain box m.
Then another person here said the name is Ugochukwu Olisakwe said man on ground is not getting something. This is problem. Forget too much talk. Now it is true that men on ground have come out and said that they're not getting anything, but I can tell you that they do get something. It's not as I'm not saying that those that are out that say something publicly like Gento that it is his fault. Yes, it's his fault somehow, but not really his fault. It could be that the money that they get to him was not meant to his notice that this money comes from some place. Something must have gone wrong. and you cannot just full hand and claim that you know everything when you don't know anything. So a lot, there's a lot of reasons that may, linger to what Gentle said. Some people actually said that it could be that the people that are receiving the money are telling them that this money comes from Ogenkere, whereas it's not. You understand? Remember, initial stage, all of them under the commander Brutoso actually made it clear that they don't want to work with a woman, that kind of thing. So I'm not gonna go back to that, but you yourself know. So they're trying to see a way to work with her. It's not easy for them to accept, but something that you're not used to before. You gradually you'll get there. All right. And some people don't know how to be in government structure. They are not used to that. That's not the fact. So it is a new thing for them. And remember, the government is just new. It's just like a baby government. How many months? A lot of mistakes will be done, but the ability to correct it and put this together and forge ahead is what matters.
Zega zega akwụna afụgo okwu akpụ n'ọnụ ga-efere azụ ụlọ bụrụ ike nga anyị saa anyị efe na ihe akpọrọ akụ nye anyị foreign gods ekwekwara ya akụ Adam Forsman gbuwe belu na Ken gbuwe belu gbaga obodo ọzọ ruo n'ọnwa anyị zi nwa onye ka ọ nụrụ zaa m ya Ken o jere obodo onye mma bụ Chukwu nye aka amụma anya ka azụ ịmụ anya Afrịka ka anyị jide ịfụnanya Chukwu Olise ama nkwe ka anyị wagha anyị na-ekpegide ekpere Monday to Sunday ha nwa dị mmiri na-arụpụta teknọlọji ọchịchị obi anyị alaeze eluigwe ha nwa na-arụ alaeze nke ha n'ụwa ha gwara anyị saa anyị asa na-arụ na mmiri yet ha na-eje na mmiri asa ha sị na Chukwu dị ọcha na ekwensu dị oji ya na ndị isi ojii bụ ekwensu onye ọcha nye m brain box m onye nụ m batrị nye m brain box m brain box m onye m ya nye m brain box m.
Now let me go to another thing. Like I told you, I'm trying to rush this program because I don't want to waste much of your time. So still on another comment from a different person, Dreamer Queen. Said Ada is not your protest. Kai TV. My channel name is not Kai TV. Most of you are making that mistake. Kai TV, Kai TV. Who is Kai TV anyway? She knows her truth more than you. People deceiving you. I think see people. I don't know. The grammar is not clear. As you can read it on the screen also. So I'm not. It's not as if I'm reading it wrongly. You can also help me and read it out. People deceiving yourself with. I think what she's trying to say is that that is not your problem. Maybe Kai TV, she knows the truth more than you do, more than you. People keep on deceiving yourself. I believe that's what this one trying to say. You can see the level of people that are siding at that. And when you talk, they say, "Oh, you are insulting her. Don't stereotype. Don't insult anybody academically and all that." I'm not here to insult anybody, but you cannot say something and expect people to keep quiet because you don't want to be feeling insulted. Do you understand? If you actually want to maintain your prestige, why don't you just keep quiet and maintain your level? People said that okay, I think that's a Bible verse. There's a Bible verse that says a fool is considered to be wise when he or she keep quiet. Do you understand what that means? Like, if you don't open your mouth to talk, people will not know that you are dundee. You understand? But when you talk, you're actually telling people how intelligent and how smart you are. That's enough. I don't want to further that so that people know. So you're insulting anybody. I'm not insulting you. But if you don't want to be insulted, why don't you respect yourself first?
akwụna afụgo okwu akpụ n'ọnụ ga-efere azụ ụlọ bụrụ ike nga anyị saa anyị efe na ihe akpọrọ akụ nye anyị foreign gods ekwekwara ya akụ Adam Forsman gbuwe belu na Ken gbuwe belu gbaga obodo ọzọ ruo n'ọnwa anyị zi nwa onye ka ọ nụrụ zaa m ya Ken o jere obodo onye mma bụ Chukwu nye aka amụma anya ka azụ ịmụ anya Afrịka ka anyị jide ịfụnanya Chukwu Olise ama nkwe ka anyị wagha anyị na-ekpegide ekpere Monday to Sunday ha nwa dị mmiri na-arụpụta teknọlọji ọchịchị obi anyị alaeze eluigwe ha nwa na-arụ alaeze nke ha n'ụwa ha gwara anyị saa anyị asa na-arụ na mmiri yet ha na-eje na mmiri asa ha sị na Chukwu dị ọcha na ekwensu dị oji ya na ndị isi ojii bụ ekwensu onye ọcha nye m brain box m onye nụ mba.
This one is very angry, very angry human beings. All his comment here is quite funny. First of all, he said like what this lie. Like what this lie? I don't understand that, and you can see that on screen. Then he said again, get out Fool. You can see how he spell fool. F-double-O-O-O-O. So that will tell you all you need to know about the kind of person. Then he's commenting based on Ada, because all of them is Ada. And why is it that most of the people that are talking about why he's such in France, many of them have problem, and you can see that I'm not the one to tell you that. And he continued. He said, "Oga, you are the one lying, fool. You keep on saying fool and with the wrong spelling. Again, we Biafran love Ada so much. We, this is how they roll. We really, we. Nobody hate Ada in the first place, but Ada is one, you know, uh, sharing hate to everybody." Because if Ada did not get what she wants, she will turn, like a lion. She's ready to devour. After all, she said that she's a chameleon. Am I the one? Imagine if I called Ada a chameleon. Most of you, her fan, would be here tearing yourself apart in them of attacking me. But when she called herself that she's a chameleon, all of you felt you okay with it. We Biafran love Ada so much, really. And he said again, we love Ada so much. I hear you. I hear you.
Zege zege akwụ na-afụgo okwu akpụ n'ọnụ ga-efere azụ ụlọ bụrụ ike nga anyị saa anyị efe na ihe akpọrọ akụ nye anyị foreign gods ekwekwara ya akụ Adam Forsman gbuwe belu na Ken gbuwe bel gbaga obodo ọzọ ruo n'ọnwa anyị zi nwa onye ka ọ nụrụ zaa m ya Ken o jere obodo onye mma bụ chukwu nye aka amụma anya ka azụ ịmụ anya Afrịka ka anyị jide ịfụnanya chukwu olise ama nkwe ka anyị wagha anyị na-ekpegide ekpere Monday to Sunday ha nwa dị mmiri na-arụpụtanụ teknọlọji ọchịchị obi anyị alaeze eluigwe ha nwa na-arụ alaeze nke ha n'ụwa ha gwara anyị saa anyị asa na-arụ na mmiri yet ha na-eje na mmiri asa ha sị na chukwu dị ọcha na ekwensu dị oji ya na ndị isi ojii bụ ekwensu onye ọcha nye m brain box m onye nụ m batrị nye m brain box m brain box m onye m ya nye m brain box m akwụkwọ ederede eburugo batrị ya na brain box m.
Now let's go to another one before we end this video. So I have been dodging to comment on this guy video. I actually made a video in the past about his comment. He claimed that he don't like what I'm doing, but he don't miss any of my program. It doesn't matter. Now he said again, his name is Jerry Becky. Becky. All these people without through identity, we still come to you and ask you, what is your name? Your name is Kai. Is it your real name? Someone actually told me that Adam had made a program about me and some Biafrans, is a calendar TV, saying that that I myself, let me focus on what she said about me, that I myself, that I'm a Fulani man, that and reference, you look at me very, very well. When you're looking at him, he look like a Fulani. He talk like a Fulani. That I am the only person that he least expect to say what I'm saying about her and all that. What am I actually saying about her that is wrong? Am I saying something bad about her? That's why it's not. That you choose to dress yourself black and black. And I said, this person, you are putting on black and black. I just said what you are. Is it a crime? I mean, if you don't like it, why don't you change the clothes? But you keep on wearing the same clothes, and is it my fault that my eyes can see the color of the clothes that you are wearing? I'm just saying, if you know, you know. Just correct it on. Anyway, let's go to the comment of this Alphonse. He said, your COS is a Fulani citizen. And yet, Fulani citizen. I mean, Fulani have their own citizenship than Nigerian citizen. Anyway, let's continue. She is the one who came out to call Biafran APM others criminals, and you, Kai TV, spread out the lies. You are coming out to say other Biafrans are calling your PCOS a liar of all time. You are fighting for your pocket, not Biafran freedom. Kai TV, I want you to talk more of Biafran unity, not just defending your paymaster. Not just think what you wanted to say, defending your pay, but he said defending your paymaster. Okay, save yourself from shame and suffering in due time. My brother, you already suffering. I don't need to wait in due time. The sufferness you are proclaiming is already with you, knocking on your doorstep, jumping from windows, sleeping under your bed and on top of your bed. You shall suffer, like you said. You are more, you pronounce it, so shall it be. Okay, don't project suffering to me when you know that you are the one that are bringing and attracting sufferness for yourself. Do you understand? You are indirectly laying curse on me. I'm reversing it back to you. That's what it is. Then you said that my pay master. I've told you many times. Nobody is paying me. But if you keep on pushing this pay of a thing, I will pronounce something on your head. That is just it. Don't try it again. If you are not sure of what you are saying, please don't do that. Nobody is paying me anything. I have not received any payment from anybody. I'm not saying that for you to believe, but for you to stop. You can say it elsewhere, not on my platform. You can say that, but if you are coming here to say it, you are provoking me and I don't like it. Please, nobody should say it again. If you are paying me, come out and tell me how you are paying me. Then share that your receipt and everything to Biafrans. Are you getting it? So I'm not gonna further that, but let it be a warning to you and your cohort. Most of you want to drag somebody down. You want to say something. You want to be relevant or make your comment. You said that you want me to be preaching unity. Now, where will I start preaching unity? When your friends, because most of you talking about unity. What is unity to you people is falling back. So the only unity you guys understand is the falling back, fall back to Genkere and fall back to Sena Parawa. And when Biafran asks you a question, what is your intention of falling back? You can't say anything. Just fall back for peace. Fall back for peace, fall back for unity. Then tell us the unity in the falling back. You can't answer that. What is your program? What is your program and what do you intend to do? You don't have any plan, nothing whatsoever. After the convention, who started talking about Biafrans and individuals on social media, ask that question and you may get the answer. So, like we said here, that my CEO started calling people names, criminals. What are you talking about? Are you just fall from sky? Are you not following what is going on? So now Karawan and Chamaka Jere, powered by your APM, were the one calling people names, and you are not saying anything about it. Anyway, my people, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you again next time. Bye bye for now.
Zega. Hakuna fugo kwa kunono gefere azụ na pụrụ ike ngani sanye efe na ihe akpọrọ akụ nyanyị foreign gods ekwekwara ya akụ Adam Forsman gbuwe belu na Ken gbuwe belu ọga obodo ọzọ ruo n'ọnwa anyị zi nwa onye ka ọ nọrọ zama ya Ken o jere obodo onye mma bụ Chukwu nya aka amụma anya ka azụ ịmụ anya Afrịka ka anyị jide ịfụnanya Chukwu Olise ama nkwe ka anyị wada anyị na-ekpegide ekpere Monday to Sunday ha nwa dị mmiri na-arụpụta teknọlọji ọchịchị obi anyị alaeze eluigwe ha nwa na-arụ alaeze nke ha n'ụwa ha gwara anyị sa anya asa na-arụ na mmiri yet ha na-eje na mmiri asa ha sị na Chukwu dị ọcha na ekwensu dị oji ya na ndị isi ojii bụ ekwensu onye ọcha nye m brain box m onye nọ m batrị nye m brain box m brain box m onye m ya nye m brain box m akwụkwọ ederede eburugo batrị ya na brain box m enyere m iwu na-emebi iwu ọmụ ka